have eyes on the vehicle.
Alright, copy. Hier op Elm, ek is op Elm, ek gaan rigting na jou toe nou.
Okay, kom. Okay, hy gaan. Okay, ons gaan reguit Bredel toe nou. Bredel toe.
Okay, November Juliet 1, we're going direction Bredel.
On Elm, prediction.
On Elm, we are on Elm.
Almost at third. Alright.
Elm is the back street, am I right?
No, Elm is...
No, Elm is coming past Grasslands, past Ripple Creek Nursery. We've just come past Ripple Creek. Papa, we have. We've just gone past 9th Street, direction Bredel. Yeah, we're almost there. Straight.
Okay, hoe ver is julle ou ry nou? Vat ek dit baie voor.
Ons is amper by jou.
Amper by jou, Emil, amper. We've just come past 9th, Emil. We've just come past 9th. Okay, Emil, how far away from the engine are you? Emil, how far away from the engine are you?
No, yeah, the engine by high. Ons is so 2 kilos, engine by high.
Okay, copy. We've just come past the engine now.
Okay, where you guys now?
Alright, okay, again we see you. Everyone's on the spot, and then we just one for down spot.
Yeah, I'm a little bit behind you guys. Okay, thank you.
Hey, sien ek, hierdie ou gaan nie vir jou stop nie, ek gaan jou stamp, Freddy. Yes.
Stop!
And the municipality guys working on a ladder. You just drive the ladder out from under this.
Hold on, Dad.
Yeah. I've got everything on my dash cam. Everything.
Yes.
And the municipality guys working on a ladder. You just drive the ladder out from under this. I've got everything on my dash cam. Everything.
Alright, we have a problem. This vehicle is linked to a crime and there's a case number registered for it. So, I mean, there's marked vehicles that were chasing you, trying to stop you. It wasn't unmarked cars, marked with lights and everything. Why didn't you stop?
Because I've heard stories of guys that are impersonating CPF and robbing people.
Say again?
I've heard stories of people impersonating CPF and robbing people.
Everywhere.
Oh.
Emil
Fully marked bucket.
following him.
He's been chasing him. He went from here all
And
the
he
way
made
to
U-turn.
U-turn here, back to Petit, and then we stopped him here.
Does your phone record phone calls?
But it's on the dash cam.
That will
On the
be.
dash cam, you'll hear everything on the dash cam.
No, he's been chasing the car for about 30 minutes.
Hello, baby.
Okay, just take the suspect away a little bit. Move him. Okay. Tyra. Hi. Kom op. Right. Sit. Sit. Sê vir my hond gaan my vertel. Gaan ek enige narkotiese goed in die kar kry? Dan gaan enigiets soos dit. Nee, moenie jok vir my nie. Jy was betrokke by alles. Die video is daar wat wys dat jy saam met die ou was wat gesteel het. So moenie jok nie. Hou nou op. Sê vir my net. Jy was daar, die video wys. Sê ek wil nie jy moet my tyd vir my mors nie. Want as jy my tyd mors, ek in my verklaring sit, jy het ons tyd gemors. So gaan ek dwelms in die kar kry, enigiets. Jy seker?
Sit.
Hierdie kant toe. Draag uit. Ja, nie te vaak hoor.
Are you dragging the rope now? Come fast.
As a gent.
We need your detail, ne?
Yeah.
Please, so that the investigating officer is going to contact you. You must give a
Hello.
statement what happened, ne?
Okay, I'll give you
Okay.
I'm his supervisor. I'll give you my phone.
Okay.
His phone and,
Yeah, but we need his details.
Here's my card. So please send us all the details
Okay.
of the guys, who you are, your names, and your phone number.
Who you
So-
work for.
Yeah, everything. So because then the investigating officer can contact you guys.
Okay.
So that we can get the details, because we need to. That guy needs to be charged for that.
Can I take one of their cell numbers?
Huh?
Can I take one
Yeah,
of their?
take all both their numbers.
You can charge him with.
Introducing Southern Africa's leading and fastest growing security solution provider. Coupled with a growing national network of strategically placed cameras and a variety of partners across many different industries, all number plates that pass SNIPR's cameras are recorded and cross-referenced. All vehicles listed as suspicious or wanted create an immediate alert. The vehicle is stopped and the suspect apprehended.